Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook cover photo using Pixellab application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Pixellab application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to change the background. I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to select image from my gallery. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose image from my pins folder or my pins album. I'm just going to choose photo from here and I'm going to use for example wait, this one. Okay, and for the Facebook cover photo, I guess we need to choose this ratio 16:9. Okay, and then I'm just going to select this part. All right, click on the check mark, and then I'm going to add text. Go to the new text and I'm going to edit the text. For example, I'm just going to type in starry night. Okay, click on OK, and I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to go to the font menu and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger. All right, and I'm going to create transparent text for my cover photo. I'm gonna go to the color and then I'm just going to select transparent, and then I'm going to apply white color to the stroke. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the inner shadow. Okay, and I'm going to customize the offset X and offset Y to create like transparent glass effect. Okay, just like this guys. Okay, you can customize it until you're satisfied with how it looks. I think it's better if I move it right here. Okay, I think it looks good, but it's not what I want. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Facebook cover photo using Pixellab. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.